Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. Boy, I tell you what, 29 years covering auctions, we run across some interesting items. Now here's a picture of a 1917 Luverne Motor Company gas fire truck. And this baby sold on an October 4th auction over near Mitchell, South Dakota. Of course, home of the Corn Palace over there. This thing sold on an auction by Chuck Sutton, auctioneer and land broker. Great company there, and I want to thank Jared Sutton for sending me the info on it. Sold for $13,000. It was in running order, had the complete hoses, fire extinguisher, axes, had a working siren, and again brought $13,000. Cool part is the folks that bought it are bringing it home to Luverne, Minnesota, where they were manufactured, again, 100 years ago. So again, that brought $13,000 back on October 4th. Well, and then yesterday, folks, Saturday, October 13th, near Haverhill, Iowa, my friend Jacob Bolson was out covering the sale, and interesting item here, a 1965 Divco milk delivery truck. And this sold on the auction. It was an estate sale for Lester Schmidt. And here's a few pictures of the truck, followed by video of the milk delivery truck selling.
Here, a Divco, 1965 Divco. We have the title. This is a local truck. It was for the Mead Dairy here locally. If you're around when they were delivering milk, you probably saw this truck pull into the farm or drive around. You don't see too many of these. These are, if you've Googled them at all, they've made some really neat food trucks and whatnot out of them. So let's start this one off. These are hard to find. You don't see them very often. $1,000 to go. $1,000 on the Divco. $1,000 to go. $1,000 biddle. $1,000 bidder to go. All right, we'll start at 5. We're not going to stay there. $500 to go. $500 bidder to go. $500 bidder to go. $500 bidder to go. $500 to go. Folks, if we're not interested at 5, we're not going to sell it. We'll hold on to it. We'll sell it online. $500 to go.
Yep.
$500 bidder now, $750. $500 now, $750. $500 bidder now, $750. $5 now, $750. $500 bidder 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 now, $6. $500 bidder now, $6. $500 bidder now, $6. $500 now, $6. $500 bidder now, $6. $500 bidder now, $6. Stay. We're gonna let it go at 5. Any more? $500 now, $6. We're gonna sell it. Number 2, $500.